Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hollywood Story and happy Halloween. Let me know in the comments down below what you're being in the game and in real life. Today I'm going to dress up my character and I had a few options for Halloween. I originally wanted to do this Cheetah Girls outfit using this little jumpsuit right here, but I think ultimately I'm going to go with my favorite Disney princess of all time, and that is Ariel, the Little Mermaid. I got these outfit or like accessories and the outfit at the Stars store in Las Vegas. You can use these as movie boosters, but I'm using it as a costume to be Ariel. And so we are going to add some earrings, add a bag, and get ready for this Halloween. So we just have a few final touches. I am going to change my hair color, obviously, to her beautiful red shade. And we are going to change up our eyebrow color and also our lip color so we can make the look come together. So we're just going to go and look through some of these hairstyles to see the right one for our Ariel look. There's some really pretty ones, but I think we're going to go with this one. I think it works well with the headband. Okay, I do love this one though. I think the other one might be a little bit better. And that one's pretty too, but no, we're gonna go with this one. Okay, so now we just need to change our eyebrow color and add a beautiful red lip to complete this look. I have not changed my eyebrow color on here in so long. I kind of forget about this sometimes, especially because they cost diamonds, so I never want to spend money on it, but I don't mind for the lip color. I do like to change that up every now and then. So we're going to change it to this beautiful red. And our look should be complete. I think she looks so cute. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Do you like this look? Did I do Ariel justice? Now, let's go out and see what the photographers think, the paparazzi. Oh, we need to put shoes on. I forgot about putting shoes on. So we're going to use these really pretty blue heels right here. And now we are ready to go and see what the paparazzi think. Okay, nice look. Oh, this is cute. Wicked Charm. Has anybody gotten that set? That's really, really cute. I would love to see some photos of that on your character. Okay, so we are going to go to the Maldives, and I don't know if you guys remember, I have a fish. We are going to check in on Bubbles, my fish, and feed him and make sure he is good. And I thought this scene was fitting for her outfit, you know, beach themed. Make sure to let me know what your character is dressing up as for Halloween. Again, I would love to see photos. There's a Facebook group for Hollywood Story, and you guys should join it. That's where we can, you know, come together, share our fashion and our photos and all that jazz. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you guys very, very soon on the next one. Bye, guys.